Hi guys, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make salmon with the cilantro cream sauce. Okay, for our salmon with the cilantro cream sauce, we're going to need, of course, salmon, which is the star of the dish, then garlic paste, some onion paste, our green chutney sauce, which is on our Pinterest pin board, that's parsley and lemon pepper seasoning, and of course a white sauce. Now all the weights and measures are given in the description box below. Okay, so first we got to do is cut this salmon in nice equal pieces, and I'm gonna now marinate this with good amount of lemon and pepper seasoning, which is really nice and tangy for this dish. And then do it on both sides. Okay, so let it sit for at least half an hour with this seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna put my oil now. You can put about enough oil because we're gonna make the rest of the oil with the sauce. You put your, once the oil gets hot, you're gonna put your salmon like this. 2 minutes on each side, sear it well, cook it well, and then take it off the pan. Okay, so now we just finished frying the fish. We pan fried it on both sides, took it out. In the same pan, I didn't add any oil or anything. Now I'm gonna add my onion paste, my garlic paste, and on a low heat just brown this up so that you can smell the taste of the garlic till it is cooked. Okay, my garlic is nicely browned into this pan juices. To this I'm going to add the green cilantro chutney which we freshly made, and just saute this really good so that it dries and gives this nice flavor to this sauce. Okay, to this I'm going to add now my salt, and now I'm going to pour in my white sauce, the basic white sauce that we made, and just bring it, cook it, simmer it for some time without letting thicken too much. So I'm going to add some sugar to it and let this melt into this, and then our sauce is thickened nice, and I'm going to add all my salmon back into this sauce. Okay, so now we added the salmon into our cilantro cream sauce, and let this sauce thicken up and let the salmon simmer into it so that it cooks very well. And after 2-3 minutes, this dish will be immaculately ready. Okay, so now a salmon in a cilantro cream sauce. Wow, look at that amazing sauce. It's just coating the salmon really well. And that's how the sauce is gonna be. Some nice parsley on it. Now we're gonna taste our salmon with the cilantro cream sauce, which we just finished making. Wow, the sauce is so good. It's not very rich because we didn't make it very creamy. It's a basic white sauce, and now we learned a derivative from a white sauce. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Follow us on our social media channels, and also go to our blog post, which is thetopperchef.com. Happy cooking!